Hi everybody, Mike from LA1 here, and it's time now to continue a tradition that's been carried to my channel for quite a while. This is the 4th of July fireworks video. And oh, wait a minute. Uh-oh. Tough luck for you, buddy. Unfortunately, we can't see anything from right here, unfortunately, but oh well. Oh, we could potentially see. This is the fireworks video. This is actually the fireworks video. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. We got a fireworks sighting. Alright, folks. Can you guys hear? Actually, no, I'm gonna get a jersey on. Be right back. I'm gonna get a jersey back. There we go. Alright, there we go. There we go, guys. I got a jersey on, and I also gotta turn the lights on because that way we can see the fireworks better. Alright, folks. Now let's keep our eyes peeled because you never know when the next firework is gonna pop up. Okay, we can't see anything from over there, which sucks. Hold on, I got an idea. Once again, I'll be right back. Okay, folks, I have found fireworks. Too bad I was searching at the wrong place. So, here we go, and whoa, perfect! Perfect, there we go. You want fireworks? We found them. And also, if you guys don't want to hear car alarms, turn the volume down. Okay. Oh, there we go. Now we got multiple sightings of fireworks, folks. And no, folks, that's not Disney fireworks. Whoa. Oh, whoa! There we go! Now we're talking. Whoa! Oh, jeez. There we go. Woo! Oh, that's another. Whoa, boy, baby. What, that's it for them? What a rip. Oh, there we go. There you go. And whoa, look at all that smoke, man. Look at all that. Ugh. There we go. We got more fireworks over there, folks. Whoa. We got more fireworks over there. I'll keep my eyes open. Oh, we got more fireworks on that end. And so I'm actually near my shower right now to film these fireworks because my office does not seem to get any. Oh, here we go! More fireworks sightings. Alright, folks, so now let's... Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Hold the phone. Here we go. There we go. Come on, give us a good one, not those wimpy fireworks. Oh, now everyone's doing wimpy ones. Come on. There's a couple of good ones. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's some over there. Okay. There we go. Oh, there's more over there. Okay. Oh, where the best ones are already out. Yeah, I swear, some of the best ones are already gone. I swear, if this gives me a content ID claim, something is wrong with YouTube. Alright folks, I gotta go. I gotta use the little men's room real quick. I'll be right back. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back, and we did get a big one while I head to the little boys' room. We had one over there just a few short minutes ago, so all we gotta do now is just sit and wait. Oh wait, here we go. We already got the next one. Oh, so sweet. Whoa! There we go. Now we're talking, and once again, those. Oh, there's back there near the mall again. Very good. There we go. Now we're talking. Now give us some good ones. And of course, those fireworks you see over there are blocked by a tree, but oh, we don't get blocked on that one. There we go. There we go. And now look at that. We got human pinwheels. Whoa! Whoa, there we go. There's a good one. And there we go with the car alarm. Alright folks, I think we better get out of here. Because that's the one that's one of those illegal fireworks. Now let's go to this window. Over to this window. Because this is probably where I saw fireworks coming in a few short minutes ago. And we got nothing. Alright folks, that's pretty much going to cover the 4th of July fireworks this year. Unless we got a big one right away. I mean, oh wait a minute. There we go! There we go. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's pretty much going to do it this year. We got a couple, but... Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it. I want to say thank you all so much for joining me. But oh, yeah, they're going down one at a time. One at a time here. They're not going out multiple again like they were earlier. But except for that one over those over there, because they're so low we can't see it. And let me just say, this has been a weird 4th of July. Well, coming up next will be the next. Will be MLB 2K13 playthroughs, which will feature another Dodger Films character. And, oh, wait, whoa, 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 whoa. What do we have here? Alright, folks, that's gonna do it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's this year's 4th of July fireworks. See you next time.